Welcome to this restorative audio experience. I'll keep this brief so that you can get to the healing sounds that await you. Whether you're looking for deep sleep or just a rejuvenating power nap, know that even if you don't fall asleep, the simple act of resting is tremendously beneficial for your body and mind. The binaural frequencies in this track are specifically designed to guide your brain into a state of restoration. Everyone has their own sleep routine, and there's no wrong way to use this audio. Some prefer headphones for a more direct experience, while others like the sound filling their room. You might want it louder to feel completely surrounded, or quieter so it seems to call from a distance. As you settle in, remember that a racing mind is often what keeps us awake. When thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and let them drift away. Feel your body becoming heavier with each breath, sinking deeper into relaxation, and scan for any tension and consciously release it. The art of rest is simply about letting go of thoughts, tension, and the need to control. If you're curious about the science behind these sounds, you'll find all the research on our website under the Research tab. Now let's begin your journey into restoration. Become a Vibes AI Plus subscriber on Apple Podcasts. Get ad-free, early access to our 30 and 60-minute sessions designed to boost your cognitive health. Try it out today with our 3-day free trial. Not on Apple Podcasts? No worries. Hit the link in our show notes and get in on the vibes.